looks good, kill. Baby, you'd be an AK, shooting me down on a...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jules Emily here, and before you go any further in this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Also turn your post notification bell on to be notified the next time I post in the future. Hey guys, so for today's video I'll be doing a full face of drugstore products, and the first thing I'm going to go in with is my brows. And for my brows I'm going to take my Goody XX Revolution pomade in dark brown. To clean that up, I'm going to take my NYX Born to Glow foundation. For my next step, I'm going to take my XX Revolution primer, and this is the Cloud Complexion, and this is how the inside looks like. It does smell really nice, and it does feel nice on the skin also, like a moist skin. It feels cooling on the skin. I'm going to take my XX Revolution Instant Touch Primer, and this is the Quick Fix one. It's meant to be the matte version. And this primer does blur your pores also. Taking my Peaches and Cream brush in PC19. This foundation is so beautiful, so matte. Even though it says glowy, it does have a matte finish to me. I'm not loving my brows today, but I guess you can't always get them nice all the time. That's how beautiful this foundation is looking. Next step, I'm gonna take my NYX Born to Glow concealer, and I do not know what shade this is in, but I think it's Cappuccino. So I'm gonna squeeze. Ooh, I think I squeezed too much, but I'm just keeping this in the inner portion of my eyes because it's a bit brighter than what I would normally go for. Taking my XX Revolution concealer, and this is my favorite drugstore concealer, and I'm gonna place that in these areas. And why is it my favorite concealer? It's because it is lightweight, but yes, full coverage. So I'm gonna now take my soap. So basically I'm using my NYX sponge, and it has been brutally beaten up. It served its time and its purpose. Still gonna use it until it tears apart completely. So I'm just gonna blend my concealer in. And this is a damp sponge. My Morphe. So I'm going to take my Morphe compact that is completely broken, and I'm going to use this and set under my eyes and other places that I have put my concealer. And I'm just bringing back some warmth into my face. I don't own any all over the face setting powder, so I'm going to go in with my all-time favorite Too Faced Born This Way setting powder to set my whole face. And I've went in with a little bit too much bronzer on this side, so I'm definitely making sure that blends in real nice. Highlights, I'm gonna go in with my XX Revolution highlights, and this one is in the shade Nimbus. And Nimbus looks like this. Such a gorgeous shade. Swatch it for you guys. So this is what Nimbus looks like. So I'm gonna take my highlighter and a Morphe brush, and this is the E21 angled brush. I'm taking my bronzer just to give my eye a bit of color. I'm just gonna sweep this in just to give my eyes a little bit dimension. For my mascara, I'm going to take my Black Magic mascara, and for liner, I'm also taking it from Black Magic. Before I put my mascara and my lashes on, I'm just gonna spray my face using the XX Revolution Quick Fix. And this is a mattifying spray. So I just finished applying my most natural lash that I do own. And I'm just gonna pop my mascara on now. And that applies very much natural. Now to finish off this look, I'm gonna take my combination of lip products, and I'm gonna take my Peaches and Cream lip liner, my Juvias Place lip gloss, and my Milani lip gloss. Lining my lips with my Peaches and Cream. Put in my Juvias Place lip gloss. This one does have pigment. Then taking my Milani lip gloss, and this is in the shade Whatever. Ooh. I'm loving this natural beat. I do feel naked without my eyeshadow, but today is a natural beat today. So guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys did enjoy this video.
If looks could kill, baby, you'd be an AK, shooting me down on a daily. I'll take a bullet for you, baby. If love's a song, I've got it on replay. My party needs a DJ, so come over to me.